same, it's gonna watch the same meaning, so it doesn't have any difference. It's just that it is different in terms of grades or not grade. Then in our retained income note number 8 as per grade 12 syllabus, we have what here? We have balance at what? At beginning of the year. The balance is at the beginning of the year, which is the balance that sometimes going to be given on the try balance, sometimes you won't be given. So what we have to now know is the structure for the retained income. Then what else do we have here? We have net profit. Net what? Net profit after tax. Net profit after tax. Remember now, in the net profit after tax, you won't be given, sometimes you won't be given the net profit after tax. Rather, they will give you what? The income tax and what? The net profit before tax. So you remember, we have the formula in accounting which says amount times 1 over half. So sometimes they will tell you that the income tax is what? Is 30%. Remember, the net profit before tax, it's always what? It's always 100%. Then whenever our net profit before tax is 100%, and then our income tax which have to be paid to us is 30%, meaning what? The net profit after tax is what? Is 70%. Because this one is always minus. So the income tax before minus, so the net profit before tax minus the income tax is equal to net profit after tax, which is 70 what? Which is 70%. So now you're gonna check what you have and then what you want on the basis of this formula: amount times 1 divided by half. Then done. Then we have what here? We have buyback of what? Of shares. Buyback of shares. Sometimes they call it what? Repurchase. Repurchase. Buyback of shares or repurchase of shares. Remember, repurchase of shares, what you have to know about the repurchase of shares. Here we have, in our ordinary share capital and our retained income, we have 3 prices there. So we have number 1, we have an actual price. Actual price. We have an average money price. We have a what? We have above average price. So remember now, where these